What would happen if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning? The Earth rotates at a speed of approximately 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,037 miles per hour, at the equator. This rotation affects our planet's shape, weather patterns, ocean currents, and even daily life. But what if, all of a sudden, the Earth completely stopped spinning? Let's break it down step by step. 1. Instant catastrophe, the effect of speed. If the Earth suddenly stopped, everything on its surface would keep moving at its current speed due to inertia. This means the people, buildings, cars, and even oceans would be violently thrown eastward at speeds of up to 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,037 miles per hour. The closer you are to the poles, the less dramatic the effect, since the rotational speed decreases toward the poles. A massive hurricane-like winds would sweep across the planet as the atmosphere continues moving while the land stops. 2. Oceans would shift. Currently, Earth's rotation causes ocean waters to bulge around the equator due to centrifugal force. If the Earth stopped spinning, oceans would start moving toward the poles. Massive amounts of water would flood regions in the north and south, potentially submerging parts of North America and Europe. Meanwhile, sea levels around the equator would drastically drop, exposing new land masses. 3. Changes in gravity and Earth's shape. Earth isn't a perfect sphere, it's slightly wider at the equator due to its rotation. If it stopped spinning, the equatorial bulge would shrink, making the planet more spherical. This shift would trigger massive earthquakes and intensify tectonic activity. Volcanoes could erupt due to the sudden redistribution of pressure within Earth's crust. 4. Superstorms. The atmosphere keeps moving. If the Earth stopped but the atmosphere didn't, winds at 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,037 miles per hour, would sweep across the planet. These winds would flatten cities and create global chaos. Dust and debris would block out sunlight, plunging the world into darkness. 5. Permanent day and night. Currently, the Earth rotates every 24 hours, giving us a cycle of day and night. If it stopped spinning, one side of the Earth would be stuck in eternal daylight, while the other side would be in constant darkness. The sunlit side would become scorchingly hot, with temperatures reaching 70 to 80 degrees Celsius, 158 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. The dark side would become freezing cold, dropping to minus 50 degrees Celsius, minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. These extreme temperature differences would devastate ecosystems and make large areas uninhabitable. 6. The magnetic field and solar radiation. Earth's rotation plays a key role in generating its magnetic field, which protects us from harmful solar radiation. If Earth stopped spinning, the magnetic field could weaken or even disappear. A deadly radiation from the sun would bombard the planet. This could lead to higher cancer rates, DNA mutations, and mass extinctions. 7. Long-term effects. If Earth permanently stopped spinning, the atmosphere would eventually stabilize, but Earth's climate would never be the same. Ocean currents would shift, disrupting global weather patterns. Humanity would be forced to relocate to habitable zones, likely near the twilight zone between the hot and cold sides. Over time, new ecosystems and civilizations would emerge in the few remaining livable areas. Conclusion. The Earth must keep spinning. If the Earth suddenly stopped, it would be an absolute disaster for life. Fortunately, according to physics, this scenario is virtually impossible. However, Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down over millions of years, which could have subtle but important effects on climate and geography. Science helps us understand these possibilities and prepares us for the future. The more we explore our planet's movements, the better we can appreciate the delicate balance that makes life possible. Don't forget to follow for more science videos.